Hello everybody, my name is Yadari Salamanca Reyes and today we are going to talk about the role of bees in ecosystems. Imagine a world without flowers, fruits or vegetables. A world where the vibrant colors of spring no longer emerge and the food we rely on becomes short. This is the world we would face without bees. Bees play a crucial role in our ecosystems and agriculture. Understanding their importance helps us appreciate their role and motivates us to protect them. As someone who has an interest in pollinators and their impact in our environment, I will provide you with information to understand why bees are indispensable to our ecosystems. Today, I will discuss the vital role bees play in ecosystems by covering three main points: their role in pollination, their contribution to biodiversity, and the current threats to their population. To begin, let's explore how bees are essential pollinators. Bees are among the most important pollinators in our ecosystems. We can see their impact on various processes that affect our daily lives. For example, pollination process. As said in the article Why Bees Are Crucial for Achieving Sustainable Development by Patel et al. In 2020, bees transfer pollen from one flower to another for the growth of many crops and wild plants. Wild and managed bees play a crucial role in pollinating wild plants in natural ecosystems and managed forests, a contribution well recognized in ecological studies. Forest biodiversity offers essential ecosystem services such as water cycle regulation and carbon sequestration. Bee-pollinated plants are vital food sources for wildlife and provide non-timber forest products for humans. For instance, Brazil nut trees, which depend on bee pollination, produce more fruit in the wild compared to plantations, likely due to the greater presence of native bees in natural settings. Additionally, beekeeping within forests can promote conservation efforts and support rural economies. We can also see their impact in medicinal uses of bee products in modern and traditional medicine. Bee products like honey, bee pollen, propolis, royal jelly, beeswax, and bee venom have long been utilized in both traditional and modern medicine. These products have been found to possess bioactive properties with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-tumor, and anti-cancer effects. Honey is particularly notable for its use in treating wounds and ulcers, enhancing oral health, combating gastric disorders, and supporting liver, pancreatic, and cardiovascular health. Propolis is used in gynecological care, oral health, dermatology, and cancer treatments, while royal jelly is applied in reproductive health, neurodegenerative and aging diseases, and wound healing. Last but not least, agricultural impacts. Bees play an essential role in crop pollination, alongside other animal pollinators like bats, birds, beetles, moths, hoverflies, wasps, thrips, and butterflies, as well as non-animal vectors such as wind and water. They significantly contribute to the global food supply by pollinating a variety of crops, including fruits, vegetables, oilseeds, and legumes. This pollination enhances the quality and yield of crops, including valuable cash crops like coffee, cocoa, almonds, and soybeans, compared to self-pollination. Pollination is crucial for agriculture, underpinning crop productions. While plants rely on various factors to transfer pollen, animal-based pollination supports 30% of global food production, with bee-pollinated crops accounting for about one-third of the human diet, according to Khalifa et al. In 2021. Bees are particularly important pollinators due to their efficiency and prevalence, thus playing a vital role in improving both economic and dietary outcomes globally. Now that we understand the role of bees in pollination, let's examine their contributions to biodiversity. Bees significantly enhance biodiversity within ecosystems. For example, in plant diversity. By pollinating a wide variety of plants, bees support diverse plant populations. This diversity is crucial for a balanced and resilient ecosystem. The article Pollinator and Diversity Benefits Natural and Agricultural Ecosystems, Environmental Health and Human Welfare by Katuma et al. In 2022 discusses the role of bees in biodiversity. We can get from it that pollinator diversity improves pollination efficiency and stability. Different pollinators have varied foraging behaviors and preferences, which collectively ensures better pollination under diverse environmental conditions. This variety is particularly important during environmental and climatic perturbations, helping to alleviate pollen limitation in plants. Bees are also a food web support. Many animals rely on plants pollinated by bees for food. A decline in bee population can lead to a cascade effect, impacting birds, insects, and mammals that depend on these plants. Having discussed the critical role of bees in supporting biodiversity, let's now look at the threats they face and what we can do to help. Bees are currently facing numerous threats, but there are ways we can help protect them. The article The Stingless Bees, a review of the current threats to their survival by Toledo Hernandez et al. In 2022, states that some critical threats include habitat loss due to a conversion to intensive agriculture, agrochemical pollution, competition from introduced species, pathogens, and climate change. These factors collectively jeopardize the survival of stingless bees, crucial providers of ecosystem services. Pesticides, particularly in conventional agriculture, have sublethal effects on bees, impairing their physiology, morphology, and behavior, which decreases their fitness and affects pollination rates, potentially reducing crop yields. These factors contribute to declining bee populations worldwide. We can support bees by planting native flowers, reducing pesticide use, and supporting organic farming practices. Additionally, protecting natural habitats and promoting policies that safeguard bees are essential steps. To conclude, let's review the main points we've discussed and consider the importance of bees one last time. Today, we covered how bees are vital pollinators, their role in enhancing biodiversity, and the current threats to their survival along with conservation efforts. Bees are indispensable to our ecosystems, and their decline would have far-reaching consequences. Next time you see a bee buzzing around, remember the incredible work it does for our planet. By taking small actions to protect bees, we can ensure the health and sustainability of our ecosystems for future generations. Thank you for listening.